Welcome to the Shiba Inu Wallet Options Guide, where we will walk you through the process of choosing the right wallet for your Shiba Inu coins. The first step is to understand the different types of wallets available, including desktop wallets, mobile wallets, hardware wallets, and online wallets. Each type of wallet has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, and it is essential to choose the one that best suits your needs. For beginners, a desktop wallet such as Atomic Wallet or Exodus is a good option. These wallets are user-friendly and provide a high level of security. They can be downloaded and installed on your computer, and you can access your coins from the comfort of your own home. If you are always on the move, a mobile wallet such as Trust Wallet or MetaMask may be a better option. These wallets are designed for mobile devices and allow you to access your coins from anywhere. They are also very user-friendly and provide a high level of security. For those who want an extra layer of security, a hardware wallet such as Ledger or Trezor is the best option. These wallets store your coins offline, which makes them less vulnerable to hacking and other cyber threats. When choosing a wallet, it is essential to consider factors such as security, usability, and fees. You should also make sure that the wallet is compatible with your device and operating system. It is also crucial to read reviews and do your research before making a decision. In addition to choosing the right wallet, it is also essential to take steps to secure your wallet. This includes using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping your wallet software up to date. You should also make sure to back up your wallet regularly, in case your device is lost or stolen. In conclusion, choosing the right wallet for your Shiba Inu coins is an essential step in securing your investment. By considering the different types of wallets available and taking steps to secure your wallet, you can ensure that your coins are safe and secure. Remember to always do your research and choose a wallet that meets your needs and provides a high level of security.